अभी हमको
Good
थोड़ा सा
evening,
कुछ पढ़ाना है।
sir. Good morning, sir.
मॉर्निंग, थोड़ा हमको पढ़ाना है, उसके बाद हम सबका क्वेश्चंस लेंगे। ओके
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
आवाज नहीं करोगे?
ठीक है सर।
ओके सर।
सर क्वेश्चन पूछे हैं?
नहीं, अभी नहीं।
डाउट क्लास में है?
हाँ, स्टडी आवर में।
ओके सर।
थोड़ा सिलेबस भी तो बढ़ाना है ना हमको।
हाँ सर।
20 में 20 आया तुम्हारा?
यस सर।
नहीं सर।
तब
मेरा आया सर।
चलिए,
सर इसी उसी में
पीडीएफ में सारे क्वेश्चन सिलेबस से ही आए थे जिससे हम लोग प्रैक्टिस किए थे।
यस सर।
यस
फिर
सर।
केमिस्ट्री करने में सिर्फ 1 मिनट लगा सर।
क्या हुआ था?
मतलब सर केमिस्ट्री पेपर सॉल्व करने के लिए सिर्फ 1 ही मिनट लगा, इतने बार रिवाइज किए थे, सब याद हो गया था।
नहीं तो केमिस्ट्री को भी पहले सॉल्व करना था ना, बाद में इतना
हाँ सर,
इजी।
केमिस्ट्री पहले ही सॉल्व किए।
हाँ ठीक। चलिए चिल्ड्रन, टुडे वी विल डिस्कस ओके a very important concept, that is write it down. Okay, volume strength. Volume strength of H2O2 solution. Today we have to discuss this one. Volume strength of H2O2 solution. This is also a specific way to express concentration of H2O2 solution. H2O2, okay?
यस सर।
Yeah. So write it down what it is. The concentration of H2O2 is usually represented in term of volume. In terms of volume. In terms of volume. See, if a sample is labeled as X volume, it means that one volume of solution, one volume of H2O2 solution gives X volumes of oxygen at STP on complete decomposition. Okay children, see What
Yes,
is
sir.
happening over here? Consider the decomposition. Consider the decomposition of H2O2 as H2O2. You heat it, it will give you 2H2O plus oxygen. Okay, plus oxygen. This is the decomposition of H2O2. Try to balance it. Nothing is written, one is written. Okay. Now, if you put weight wise, we can say that 2 into 34 gram will give you 1 mole of O2. It means 22.4 liter at
oxygen.
STP, right?
STP.
At STP,
Yes,
right?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we can write in another form also. And that is convert into milliliter. 22400 milliliter of O2 is liberated, okay, by 68. See, it is 68. Okay, 68 gram of H2O2 solution, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next, what information? If it is, suppose X milliliter, right? X milliliter of O2 is liberated by, tell me, how much? X milliliter will be liberated by how
68
much?
by 68 by 2 to
68
Apply
by
unitary
20.
method. 68
Yes.
by
Yes, sir.
22
22400
2400
into what?
X.
thousand.
Into X. Did you understand?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Ah. Just you see, it is 68 gram. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 68 gram. What is the equivalent weight of H2O2, children? What is the equivalent weight of H2O2? Equivalent weight.
34, sir.
34 is the molar mass.
And sir, X factor is 1.
X factor is, I think,
2.
X factor is 2.
2, sir, 2.
Okay, X factor
Then
is
sir
2.
17.
17.
17 gram.
Equivalent
X-
weight is 17.
X
17,
factor is
sir.
2. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So what will be the equivalent weight?
17.
34
17.
divided by 2, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Now tell me, how much O2 will be liberated by 17?
22,400.
So here, here 68 come divided 68 divided by what? 4, na?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Right. So here also it will be divided by 4.
Yes, sir.
Tell me what will be the volume? 22,400 milliliter divide by 4.
Then 5,600.
So we can say that 5,600, okay,
Okay, sir.
milliliter of O2 is liberated by how much gram?
17 gram
17 gram of
H2O2.
H2O2, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So another equation like this only. Therefore, X milliliter of O2 is liberated by, tell me, 17 by
17 by
17.
5,600
75
into
5,600
X.
into 8.
S. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is for X milliliter. This is also for X milliliter. So can we equate both the equation?
Yes, sir.
So can we write like this? 68 by 22400 into X is equal to 17 by 56000 into X, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any
Yes, sir.
problem?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Sir, X on both side will be to cut, sir.
We can cut it, no? This is one important equation, okay?
Yes, sir.
So X milliliter will be having this much. Note it down, children.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So see, once again, just see it. Volume strength of H2O2 solution. The concentration of H2O2 is usually represented in terms of volume. If a sample is labeled as X volume, it means that one volume of H2O2 gives X volume of O2 at STP on complete decomposition. Consider the decomposition of H2O2 as, okay, so this means this much is the weight, okay, and gives this much volume. If we convert in milliliter, we'll get this relation. Or if we divide it by, and if you simplify, you will get this equation, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, but if we simplify this equation, sir, both sides, sir, they are getting cut. One is remaining, sir.
Next is, what is remaining?
Sir, X also getting
One, sir.
cut.
One.
One is remaining.
Where is one?
Sir, here if we simplify this equation, then
Only one we are getting.
yes,
Yes,
sir,
sir. X is will cancel.
X is cancelled. 1768 gets
Can
4.
cancel. Then 4 will also get cancelled.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we have I have told you we have solved this equation. Just you try to solve this equation and try to simplify. Don't equate them. Right?
Okay, sir.
Next is everybody is there?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
I can't
Yes, sir.
understand.
You cannot?
I can't understand.
Okay. I'll make you understand. Don't worry.
Yes, sir.
See, you know H2O2?
Yes, sir.
H2O2. Okay. So you heat it. Are you heating it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. After heating it, it will change into H2O, right?
Yes, sir.
And it will also give you oxygen gas.
Okay, sir.
Till here it is okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you balance it. Oh,
And see
Who
now
is this?
voice is coming.
who is this?
Sir, checking.
Please
Sir, I'm
give me
checking,
the,
sir.
Sir. Sir,
Huh?
I'm
Who is this?
Yes,
Sir, I
she
think-
unmuted everyone and now noise is coming.
Sir, I think she has muted herself.
Okay, right. So, children, see, if you balance it, you will get like this. Right?
Sir, please unmute
Yes.
that boy, sir.
I think that boy was only making noise.
Okay, right.
Ah,
So, if you balance it, just we have to find out, okay, how much gram of H2O2 gave the quantity of oxygen. Right? It
Yes,
is
sir.
simple. It is simple reaction. It is not that much hard. Okay, we can say that 2 mole okay gives you 1 mole of O2, right?
Yes, sir.
Then we can also write 2 mole of H2O2 will give you 22.4 liter of O2. Okay, at STP, that is understood.
Yes, sir.
Till here it is okay.
Yes, sir.
It means 1 mole of H2O2 will give you 11.2 liter of O2 at
STP.
STP. Right?
Yes, sir.
And 1 mole of H2O2. Suppose 1 mole, this is a container, children. And this is the solution, 1 liter. 1 liter is the solution, okay? In this, H2O2 is present, H2O2, right?
Yes, sir.
How much mole? 1 mole of H2O2 is present. So what will be the molarity? 1 mole per liter, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So molarity is 1. Molarity is 1.
one.
One.
So we can say like this, that 1 molarity, capital 1 M. 1 molarity of H2O2 solution will give you, okay, 11.2 liter of O2 at STP.
Yes, sir.
Any problem here?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I think that girl
No,
can have problem.
sir.
Can you unmute her back?
What?
Say Iraban.
Sir, sir,
he's a
Iraban.
boy, not girl.
सर कार नहीं है बॉय है.
जस्ट अपना आपका देखो, दूसरे का नहीं.
सर उसी ने डाउट पूछा था इसलिए।
वो सब मैं देख लूंगा ना, तुम अपना चिंता करो।
ओके सर।
1 molarity is equal to 11.2 liter of O2 at STP, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now ये हुआ 1 molarity का, 1 molarity H2O2. Now 1 normality, 1 normality, 1 normality में कितना आएगा?
Sir,
One
one
normality.
normal only.
Yeah, 1 normality.
Molarity into X factor.
X factor is 1.
2 है।
22.4 there.
देखो normality is equal to molarity into 2, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
याद रखना ये सब चीज, हड़बड़ाना नहीं है। Normality is equal to molarity into 2. So suppose
22.4.
if it is molarity is 1, if molarity is 1, then what will be the normality?
2.
2 normality. So if we
Two,
use
sir,
this
two normal.
equation, then here it will be 2 normality.
Yes, sir.
So 2 normality of H2O2 will give you 11.2 liter,
Yes, sir.
O2.
Yes,
because
sir.
1 molarity is equal to 2 normality. Now I want to know 1 normality of H2O2 solution will give how much oxygen?
5.6 liter of oxygen. That is
5.6
5.6
liter of
liter of
O2 at STP. Did you understand now?
Yes, sir.
Okay na?
सर
Yes, sir.
sir.
हाँ,
कैन यू जस्ट स्क्रॉल अप अ बिट?
हेलो। यहाँ से
नहीं सर, यहाँ से। हाँ
हेलो, हो गया? हेलो,
सर थोड़ा नीचे कर दीजिए सर।
ऐसे
सर जहाँ से आपने वो इक्वेशन शुरू किया था।
Yes, sir. बस
हाँ
सर,
सर,
बस बस.
यहाँ से यहाँ से।
only one information is given again and again.
Yes, sir.
यस सर।
Only one information is given again and again,
यस सर।
right?
Yes, sir. Sir, why we are taking only in the respect of oxygen, not with the respect of water?
Oxygen is an important thing, no? Oxygen gas is important thing. Okay. Hello.
Someone is doing WhatsApp, sir.
Yes, sir.
Oxygen is gas, no?
Yes, sir.
That's why they have used oxygen gas.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
And this measurement has done long back. They are using commercially in this way only. Grow up, become very perfect, and you challenge it that why you have used oxygen. From today onwards, use water.
यस सर।
Then they will start using it. Right? Shall I move forward?
यस सर।
Yes, sir.
You can move.
What you have to remember? You have to remember somebody asked you that 2 mole of H2O2 will give how much oxygen at STP? What will be your answer?
22.4 liter.
22.4 liter.
22.4 liter.
If somebody asks you 1 mole of H2O2 will give how much?
11.2 liter.
2 liter.
Then 1
11.2
molarity of
liter.
H2O2 will give how much?
11.2 liter.
Liter.
2 normality,
11.2 liter.
1 normality.
5.6
5.6
liter.
liter.
6 liter.
Okay. Then you have to answer. See, I will change this thing. One normality means 17 gram of H2O2, right? Will give how much? Tell
Yes,
me.
sir.
5.6 into 17.
5.6 liters.
Yeah, same. Only the language is different. Answer is same. 5.6 liter of O2 at
6 liters.
STP. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Then
sir.
17, huh? Let me multiply 17 into 4. 17 into 4. Or like this. 2 into 34 gram of H2O2. Give me the answer.
Sir, 22.4 liters of oxygen.
22.4 liters, sir.
22.4 liter of O2 at STP. Right? Everybody is getting?
Yes, sir.
From here, same thing I am doing. Same thing I am writing again and again, but different wordings. Different wordings. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So see, I will give you one more. I have done so many problems. So I will give you the conclusion. I will give you one conclusion. Note it down. It will be very helpful to you. I have solved for many purpose. See, 1.7% 1.7% of H2O2 is equal to 17 gram per liter. Any objection? Please tell me. O2. Okay. Is equal to 1 normality. Is equal to 5.6 liter of O2.
Sir, from where you are getting 1.7% and 70 gram?
This is the container.
Yes, sir.
If this is 1000 milliliter, how much gram is there?
70.
17 gram of H2O2 is there.
Yes, sir.
So percentage of H2O2. Earlier I told you na formula WB by volume of solution into 1000 into 100.
Yes, sir.
Did you remember?
Yes, sir.
What is the WB? 17 gram. What is the
17
volume
gram.
of solution? 1000.
1000.
Then can't you cut it?
Yes, sir.
Don't you get 1.7?
Yes, sir.
If I have written, I am wrong.
No, sir.
You understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So both all are same. 1.7% of H2O2, 17 gram per liter is same. One normality is same, and this is also same. These all are related with each other.
Okay, sir.
Okay, and you can relate one more thing. 8 gram of O2 at STP. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
5.6 liter of O2, it means 8 gram.
Yes, sir.
So this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 information must be known to you. Okay, children.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
सर वो लास्ट वाला 8 ग्राम कैसे लिखे सर?
अरे 22.4 लीटर का वजन कितना होता है बोलो?
32.
1 लीटर का कितना होगा?
32 by 22.4.
22.4.
5.6 लीटर का कितना होगा?
5.6.
Into 5.6.
कितना बार में कटेगा ये?
32 by 4. Equals to 8.
आ गया समझ में?
यस सर.
हाँ, sir.
आया बेटा?
हाँ सर.
Completed, sir.
हाँ?
Completed.
Completed. Okay. So now, again, I will give you some more important datas, and data is three percent solution of H2O2. थोड़ा माइक को दूर लेके जाओ, माइक से दूर हो जाओ. मार्क्ड. किसका आवाज है थोड़ा बता दो चैट बॉक्स में.
बता रहे हैं सर.
कुछ नजर नहीं आ रहा.
ओके ठीक है. 3% solution of H2O2 is marked as 10
म्यूट
volumes.
कर लिया सर.
10 volumes H2O2. ठीक है. 30% solution of H2O2 is marked as
100 volumes.
100 volume of H2O2. ओके राइट.
ओके सर.
ओके सर.
अब इस पर जब प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करोगे तभी समझ में आएगा कि हो क्या रहा है. ओके.
यस सर.
यस सर.
ये H2O2 का एक स्पेशल वे है कंसंट्रेशन बताने का. इट इज ए स्पेशल वे टू express the concentration of H2O2 solution. Right.
Okay,
See,
sir.
I'll give you one question. Solve it. You will get an idea. Problem. Calculate A. Normality B. Molarity and C. Strength and D. Percentage of 10 volume strength of H2O2. Come on, solve it. So this is the container, children. This is the container, and here it is written in the
10 volume.
container. It is written that it is solution of 10 volume H2O2. Now you have to understand what it is. Did you understand? So first they ask you to calculate normality.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we can use any formula C. Can you use this formula?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What they are telling that 5.6, okay, 5.6 volume. If strength is there of H2O2 is related with how much? One normality. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then one volume of strength of H2O2 is related by
1 by 5.6.
1 by 5.6. Therefore, what is the strength?
10.
10 volume
10
strength of H2O2 gives you
100 by 56.
1 by 5.6 into. Then where is 100?
Yeah, 5.6 is there now, so 100 by 56.
So it is 100 by 56. Solve it. Solve it.
Solving.
Solving, sir.
It is coming 1.785. Normality.
Yes, sir. 1.785.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Right. Now can you calculate molarity? This
Yes,
one is
sir.
completed. This one is completed, children. Now we are solving molarity. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
You can calculate molarity like this. Normality is equal to
Probability molarity
molarity
into
into X factor.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Normality is equal to molarity into X factor is 2 over here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
1.785 by 2.
HOH. Two OH bonds are there now.
Yes, sir.
So X factor is 2. Now you got the normality over here. What is the normality?
1.785.
1.785 divided by 2 is equal to molarity.
0.89.
How much it is?
0.892.
0.89 mole per liter is the molarity. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what is completed? Molarity is also
Normality
completed.
and molarity.
Now complete the strength. Can you find out the strength?
The 3%.
In what is normality? Normality is what normality we could find.
1.785.
Okay, or what is the molarity? Just to divide by weight, molar weight, you will get, or either from here you can multiply by equivalent weight. You will get the strength.
Okay, sir.
Strength. Or you can do like this. 5.6 volume strength, okay, of H2O2 is equal to how much? 17 gram per liter.
Yes, sir.
So 10 volume of strength of H2O2 will give you 17 by 5.6 into 10. What will be the weight? Tell me.
Yeah, sir. Solving.
30.35 gram per liter.
Okay, sir.
Check it nicely.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Game.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
In same way, calculate percentage also. They have asked you to calculate percentage also. See.
Sir, 30.35 or 3.035? No, sir. Correct.
Strength.
Sir, that,
30.35.
It should be
sir.
30.35.
Yes, sir.
Now again,
Decimal place.
you can use for percentage 5.6 volume strength of H2O2 is equal to, what is the percentage? 1.7%. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So 10 volume strength of H2O2 is equal to 1.7 by 5.6 into 10. Calculate the percentage. Solved.
3 point, 3.0. Yes, sir. 3.035.
3.03%, right?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
did you understand what we are exactly doing?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we are using a very specific way to express concentration of H2O2.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, these points we have to learn that one normality is equal to 5.6 strength of H2O2.
Yeah, only we have to learn this one, what we have told. This.
Which one, sir?
This. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If you learn this, your problem will be solved.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay? Shall I move forward?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
In H2O2, okay, when you heat it, no? Okay, oxygen came out. Oxygen gas comes out. Okay. When you heat H2O2,
Okay.
oxygen comes out.
Yes, sir.
More is the oxygen coming out, more is the H2O2 in the solution.
Yes, sir.
So O2 gas measurement is the indication that how much H2O2 is present in the solution.
Okay, sir.
I'll give you another question. Next question. Calculate the number of moles. Calculate the number of moles and weight. Calculate the number of moles and weight of O2 produced on heating 1.12 liter of 10 volume strength 10 volume strength of H2O2 at STP. Calculate the number of moles. Calculate the number of moles and weight of O2 produced on heating with 1.12 liter of 10 volume strength of H2O2 at STP. Solve it. volume of O2 at STP,
at 22.4.
volume of solution into volume strength of H2O2 is equal to, what is the volume? 1.1 liter into, what is the volume strength?
10.
10.
10. So what will be the volume?
1.
So
11.
volume strength of H2O2.
Yes. It will be
11.2, sir.
11.2.
11.2 liter. Got?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If here it is 1 liter, then we might have got only 10 liter. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes,
If
sir.
here it is 2 liter, then we will get just double.
Okay, sir.
Okay. The question is like this, that if the solution is 1 liter and it will give 10 volume of O2, but solution is little bit more, this much is more, 0.12 liter, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
it will give little bit more oxygen. Now, what will be the weight
Sir, 16.
or number of moles?
Number of moles 0.5.
Half more.
Number of moles of
0.5.
O2 at STP is equal to 11.2 liter by 22.4
22.4.
liter, right?
0.5.
Yes, sir.
0.5 mole. Did you got the answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then weight of O2.
16 gram.
16 gram.
So 0.5 mole into, what is the molar weight?
32.
32.
You will get 16 gram. This is the weight. Did you understand the question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So children, just pay attention what we have done. Have you noted down?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Noted.
No, sir.
Sir,
Last
the
point
hint
I
was
didn't.
given.
Yes.
Last
Sir, in
point
the
I
question.
didn't note it down.
What?
Last point I didn't note it down.
Sir, in the hint, it was given in the question or you have given, sir?
Which one?
Sir, that hint
Yes, sir.
given or
What?
that was written in the question.
What is given in the solution?
Sir, that hint, sir, hint.
Hint, I said, telling sir, hint.
No, hint I gave you. Hint I gave you.
Done.
Oh, okay, sir.
Try it out, sir.
Means it is applicable for every question.
Every question.
Okay, sir. That's why.
Important formula.
This is actually, it is meant for 1 liter, right?
Yes, sir.
So I have utilized the unitary method.
Okay, sir.
That's why I multiplied.
Okay, sir.
So today we'll leave here only. Any doubt, we'll meet in study hour. Okay.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
And
Thank
those who
you,
have
sir.
not got 20 out of 20, so he is under danger zone. Okay. From next time, please give time for chemistry also. Try to solve chemistry first. You are
Sir, I
giving,
have one doubt in chemistry, sir.
ask in the study hour. Okay. Already time is
Okay,
over. Bye bye. Huh?
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye.